The first record history of Pili started during the promulgation of the Christianity in the early 1770s by the Spanish missionaries. When the townhouse of the Cimarrones or the Rinconados, who resist the foreign rule of the neighboring Hispanic city of Nueva Cáceres, the earliest central of settlement in the town was located in Binanuanan from Banwaan, which means town in the Bicol language, until missionaries transferred it to the present site of the town proper where the St. Raphael Archangel Church is located.
1. The name of the town has many disputed etymologies. Either it came from the Bicol regions, Pilinat, Canarium ovatium, or from the Bicol word pili, or to choose. The latter is because the Americans wanted to make the town as the new provincial urban center due to the fact that the Naga city, which the Spaniards had developed, was prone to major floods. The town is also a very strategic location for the Americans. Pili connects the major districts of the province, the Bicol Naga-speaking towns of the north, Partido, and the Rinconada area. It was here where they built the current Naga Airport and the Camarines Sur Agricultural School in 1918, which is now the main campus of the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, CBISUA. The town of Pili was formally established in 1919 as a municipality. Naga City was the former capital of the Camarines Sur. It was formally designated as the provincial capital by virtue of the Philippine Legislative Act No. 2711 on March 10, 1917 under the American rule. It is until December 15, 1948 when Naga City was declared a chartered city. This move had declared a need of searching for the new site of the provincial capital building.
When World War II broke out in 1941, the Imperial Japanese Army sent 3,000 soldiers to Pili due to concentration of American developments in the town. They built tunnels, man-made caves, and foxholes all over the town which are still existent in the town today. The infrastructure of the war were mostly in the barangay of Cadlan, Curi, San Jose, and even the Centro area. When the Japanese started to lose, they flee to Mount Isarog to hide. They created a lot of holes in Mount Isarog and used the mountain as their last stand in the Bicol region. In the present, the heroes of the war were remembered through Filipino-Japanese friendship historical landmark in Sitio Bongkao Curi at the foot of Mount Isarog. Former Governor Juan F. Trevino chooses the municipality of Pili as the new home of the provincial capital. The selection also determined the new capital of the province. Finally, on June 6, 1955, Pili was declared as the provincial capital virtue of RA 1336, replacing Naga City. There were 6 possible sites in Pili, which were considered for the provincial capital. The Capital Site Selection Committee finally voted in favor of the 15-hectare lot donation of Susano Rodriguez in the barangay of Cadlan.
Used to be hiding spot of rebel in Spanish time, Pili has become the capital of Camarines Sur due to historical law that prevents provincial capitals from being placed on independent city. This one sleepy town has chosen to become the new provincial capital, as Naga become an independent city. Pili straddles the boundaries of 2 major variety of the Bicol language, the central variety of Bicol which is used in Naga, and the Rinconada at the southern part of the town. As some residents of the Rinconada district go to Pili to shop, work, or study, Central Bicol is considered as the most outstanding understood local dialect. The Pili Town Fiesta is for the celebration of the feast of Saint Raphael the Archangel, the patron saint of Pili. It is celebrated annually every October 23 to 24 since the foundation of the parish in 1819. The Cimarrones Festival is an annual culture festival held on the whole month of October in Pili, which is celebrated with the 6 barangays of the Pili Central District. The festival has 3 popular major events in the capital town: street dancing competition, musical night, and Miss Capital Town.
Which is used all over the municipality, the Naga variant of the Central Bicolano on the northern part, and Rinconada or Rinconada Bicol on the south. However, the Naga variant of the Central Bicolano is the lingua franca, which is used all throughout for communication. Tagalog and English language are also widely understood. There are 2 races which were considered as natives of Pili, Camarines Sur. Number 1, Bicol, Isarog Agta tribe of Negroid stock. And number 2, Central Bicolano speakers of Malay stock. The Agtas were believed to be the first settlers of the town. They were related to the other tribes with Negroid stock like the Dumagat, Agta of Mount Asog, etc. The occupation of the more advanced Malays in the lowlands forced them to go upland to the foot of Mount Isarog. The Bicol Isarog Agta race of the day can still be seen in the uptown Pili, especially in the barangay Curi. The Malays were considered as the ancestor of the dominant lowland Bicolanos. These people speak the Central Bicolano language of the Naga variant. If we follow the legend of Maragtas, two Datus went northward from the island of the Panay, where the Confederation of the Madhyas was found by the Malay immigrants. The two of the famous 10 Bornean Datus mentioned were Dato Dumangsil and Dato Balcasusa. It was believed that Dato Dumangsil founded the Tagalog kingdom near the Taal Lake, while Dato Balcasusa went southward up to Bicol Peninsula. Thus, Dato Balcasusa was the ancestor of the Bicolanos of Malay stock.
26 barangays in the town. Most of them were named after each of their respective patron saint. However, there are some which has names with different origin. Poblacion area: Old San Roque, San Antonio, San Isidro, San Juan, San Vicente, and Santiago. Uptown area: Tinangis, Curi, Santo Niño de Rosario, Bagong Sirang. Northern part: Lowland, Palestina, Cadlan, Caroy San Jose, San Agustin, Sagorong, Tagbong. Southern part: Lowland, Binobong, New San Roque, Binanwanan, La Purisima, Sagrada, Himao, Alayan, and Pawili.
Trivia for some barangays. Curi. Former name is Bangkao, which is now only a sitio. It is named after Governor of Camarines Sur, Grigor Curi. The 8 waterfalls in one river can be found in sitio Bangkao. The 7th waterfall is the Slide Fall, and the last is the Shower or Balang Falls. Mount Isarog is the source of the water of every town surrounding it, including Pili. Tinangis came from the root word tanis, means cry. It was believed that the native cried wherever they walked to the upland barangays due to its far distance from the lowland. With San Jose and Caroy they were the home of the Camp Elias Angeles, the 9th Infantry Division of Philippine Army. The highest waterfall in Mount Isarog is clearly seen from there. If you are from Pili, you can see the waterfall visible, a white line, from the National Highway after a rain, and it is the Maati Fall. It came from the root word ati, means loses a certain amount. Since the waterfall seems to disappear in the sunny day, some may claim Balang Falls as the highest waterfall, but local were convinced that it is the Maati Falls.
And rice farms in the early 20th century. That is why it might came from the word Kaparoyan, having the root word Paroy, meaning rice husk. Cadlan, the location of the provincial capital, it also houses the famous Camarines Sur Water Sports Complex, CWC, and Lago del Rey.
New San Roque, the balot capital of Pili. Ayan, the barangay where the roads to Partido and Rinconada were parting ways. They are famous to their sinapot, or pritong batag, fried bananas in English.
The legacy of Pili Municipality focuses in Pili nuts, resulting in the products including Pili tarts, Pili ice cream, Pili peanut butter, chocolate bar with Pili jam, and Pili roll, etc.
The municipality of Pili has also its own tourist attraction, like the CWC from the barangay Cadlan, Pili Capital, and Marcos Stadium Sports Complex from the barangay of San Jose, Pili, Camarines Sur.